Hi, it's Michelle. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are going to be opening bag number 11 of our Advent calendar for 2024. So let's not waste any time because I know we all get excited to open these bags. So let's look down at the table and see what we have. There's number 11. Oh, look at that. We've got some confetti stars. Super pretty and sparkly. Your confetti stars might look slightly different than mine. We had a little hiccup and we ran out of one color and we had to substitute, but they're both beautiful and holographic and sparkly and shiny stars that coordinate with all of our birthday themed items that we've got going on with our Advent calendar this year. Ooh, more items for those circle shaker covers. So fun. Thanks again for joining me today for day number 11. I hope you're still having fun and can't wait to see what day number 12 holds. We'll see you then, so take care.